Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to tell you what to take on count when you want to render with the Rebus render farm and you are using Redshift proxies in C4D. First, you need to understand that the Redshift proxies do not speed up the rendering, unless you are making a forest out of a proxy tree. They help you have a stable viewport if your scene is full. We have already created a proxy. In the object attributed, we can see the textures that are connected to the proxy. Notice here you won't be able to do any changes. That means the Farmanizer won't be able to either. For that reason, it is important that before you create the proxy, you have an organized project structure. That means, next to the .c4d file, you should have a text folder. One quick way to do this is by clicking on File and Save Project with Assets, or just create it manually. After that, continue with your workflow to create the Redshift proxy, where all textures are located in the text folder. This way, all proxies will appear in the renderings with their textures. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments section. Also, here are some other videos that might interest you. To keep up to date with our channel, don't forget to subscribe.